Did you know that some plants can hear water? The desert plant tobacco has evolved to detect the sound of water flowing through pipes. When researchers played the sound of running water, the plant's roots grew towards it, even in dry soil. This adaptive technique helps them survive in arid environments by finding water sources. It's a quirky reminder of nature's resilience and adaptability. Next time you water your plants, remember they might be listening. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts like this. Facts.